I'm going to repeat what I just said so that Katya knows. So we circled the skips, Katya, in Minuet on page 17, only the top of the page, not the bottom part. And we said only which hand plays it? Right hand, because it's got that treble clef. And what key is it in? We haven't talked about that yet.
C.
It's in C. Now, middle C is in the middle of your piano, and it looks low. Okay, so look on here. Do you think we have a middle C in this, or are we starting on a different C? What do you think? Does it look higher than middle C?
Yes.
It does.
Yeah.
So here's one of the things kids forget. You're going to put your hand up higher. So walk over here for just a second. Middle C is usually near the name of your piano. So see my name of. I can't find it with my. Where'd it go? Sorry, I'm gonna make you do. There it is. There's the name on my piano. So this would be middle C, close to your name. That's not where you're gonna put your hand. This is called treble C. That's where you're gonna put your hand. Okay, so instead of here, that's gonna be up here. Okay. Let's see what else we need to talk about. Walking back over here, I'm gonna make her dizzy when she watches these. Okay. Oh, I know what else. Look at the top of the first line. At the end, you see it's got little tiny finger numbers? What do you think that might mean? Just
Like,
take a
that's
guess.
the note that you're supposed to, number that you're supposed to play.
Well, it's the number of finger that's playing. They usually write it in if something's happening that's different than normal. Luke, you might have said. You could be moving your hand, but look at it. Does it look like you're moving your hand? You're not like picking it up and moving it.
No.
What do you think you might be doing? What's it doing? Is it going up or going down?
It's going down.
It's going down. So guess what? That's scale fingering. So you have kind of a little scale at the end of line 1.
So
And then at the top of line 2, you have another finger number. And that's where Luke, yep, you're going to pick up your hand and put it back where it was at the beginning. That's why it has a 5 on that note.
because instead of going up, you go down.
Yeah, you got to pick up your hand and move it. Okay, now let's look at do, mi, so. Do, mi, so, are they going to be lines or spaces? It shows you where do is. You see it? They're going to be spaces. So do, mi, so are all going to be space lines. So if you can put your finger on where they say do is, if do is on a space, then mi is on a space, then so is on a space. What is your first note? It's so, yeah. Okay, so you're going to start on so. I think I'm just going to play it for you so you can come back over here. And I'm going to show you the easiest, when you first try it, here's the easiest way to do it. I might have to have somebody else hold this. Can I do this and still hold it? Yeah, maybe. Okay. Audrey, do you want to squeeze in over here? There you go. So first I got to make sure my hand is not in middle C. There's middle C. So I'm going up here to treble C. So it's going to sound high. So if you're playing it down here, that's too low. Okay, and we're going to start on so we know we're here. Finger 5. So here's what's going to happen. When you first play it, it's easier to say what you're doing. And seriously, it is. So you might try this the first time you play it. So I'm going to do it like it was my first time playing it. So I'm going to start on so. And then I'm going to go down, down, up, skip down, up, up, down, down, up, skip down, up, up, skip up, down, 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 up, swing like a scale, 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 scale. And then I pick up my hand and put it back where it was, and I'm going to start again. The 2 lines are almost the same except for the ending. All right? Now, I'm going to do that again, but I want you to tell me what to do. We're going to do the second line because we already did the first line. So did you see what I was doing? I'm looking at these notes and telling myself what to do. Okay, so I'm going to start on the second line. So I'm going to play finger 5, and then what am I going to do next? What am I going to do right here? Don't down or up?
Down.
Down. Next.
Down.
Down.
Up.
Up.
Down.
Ooh. Well, do you see it's a skip? So I'm going to skip down. And then what do I do next?
Up.
Up. Does everybody know where we are? Up.
Down.
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 Down. Up.
Down.
And there's your other skip. Mine aren't circled, so that's easy to miss. Skip down.
Up.
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 Up. That one I've got circled.
Up.
Skip up.
Down.
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 Up.
Down.
We're right here. Skip down. Okay. So if you try it, I'm going to turn this off.